Okay. I don't know what I need. I'm gonna give them a call.
Hello, and thank you for calling ISC Suspension North America, where we offer premium suspension for your automotive obsession. Press 1 for customer service and general inquiries. Press 2 for sales. Press 3 for account.
Hello, this is Andrew.
Hi there, my name is Julia, and I'm looking to buy some coilovers for my Genesis Coupe. I just had some questions.
Okay, yeah, absolutely. What can I help you with?
I want to know the difference between the basic coilovers and the N1 coilovers.
Sure, so for that vehicle, the difference is primarily going to be the front top plates. So the basic is a solid top plate with a bushing configuration, and then the N1 will come with a pillow ball and camber plate assembly. So that's the primary difference between the two. And if you think you're going to need to adjust camber or want that additional feature for
future adjustments or for performance related purposes,
usually that's your best bet.
Let's say I go with the N1 coilovers, what kind of upgrades can I get?
One of like the best go-tos,
in my opinion, are ISC
coilover covers. So those are going to get you additional protection for things like salt, sand, road debris, all that fun stuff. They're basically like a neoprene sleeve that wraps around the coilovers and protects them. So that's a great option.
So I'm daily driving the car. I guess like street comfort would be the best option for me.
Yeah, the street sport setup is a great happy medium. So, you know, good for someone who's a daily driver, wants, you know, some road compliance, but might occasionally track the car on the weekends and things like that. So the street sport's definitely a good option.
Cool, perfect. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with these ones. Do you guys have them in stock?
We have those in stock on the shelf, and if you did want to go with the Triple S upgraded springs as well, we could certainly build those out for you and get those out the door this week.
Awesome. And how long is shipping?
Where are you located?
I'm in Canada right now.
3 to 5 business days if we shipped it ground to you.
One more question. So I'm going to be doing the install myself. If I have any questions, do you guys have, like, can I call you guys, or like, do you guys have like a chat line or something like that?
Absolutely. So we do have a support team here, so you can call in with any inquiries in regards to setup
or installation.
Just make sure to ask for someone from our support team, and we'll be happy to help you out.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much for your help.
Yeah, no problem. Any questions, let us know, and we'll keep an eye out for that order.
Awesome. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Let's go.
Sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, little squeeze out, keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, little squeeze out, keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. Like they're bringing anything to the table, bro, I'm not your son, see I'm able, I do my own bits, limited edition and some missing classic shit, I know that you're feeling it. First time, I'm proud of my selfish decisions. Couple people did me dirty, but I'm clean. Ain't even mad proof, karma is a B. We all do bad things, when it comes back, it bites hard. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let you squeeze out. Keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let you squeeze out. Keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. That heat's coming from my fires, I'd fire to my words. We're the worst every time, yeah, that we roll. So you know how it goes, I'm my favorite secrets, he likes to keep close. And if you don't, then you don't. You soon will or you won't, if you know, then you know. And if you don't, then you don't. You soon will or you won't, listen up, cause I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, little squeeze out. Keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing good. Working on your car? How's it going?
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you guys.
All right, so we came across a little problem.
Okay.
So we don't know which is going to the driver's side and which is going to the passenger side. Is there a way for us to determine that?
Yeah, absolutely. So on the top plate itself, there should be a part number either on the top of the plate or on the underside of the plate. It should be a couple of letters and numbers. Within that part number, there should be a left or a right insignia.
Awesome. Do you have any tips for us when we're installing these?
Yeah, absolutely. So typically before you install, I would definitely recommend applying a bunch of NECs to all the threads. So the copper NEC that was included with the kit, perfect. You can use that. If you guys are in a climate where you guys get a lot of weather, rain, salt, snow, depending on where the car is going to be driven, I would definitely recommend applying a lot more, basically everywhere where there's threads, any moving part. So that'll just ensure longevity of the coilover over time, so you can adjust it without any issues down the road. And then do you guys have the coilover covers as well?
Yes,
Yep.
yeah.
Okay, perfect. So those will help a lot too. So apply the provided NECs there, use the coilover covers, and you guys should be ready to rock and roll. Definitely apply the proper amount of preload to the front coilovers. That could be done either outside the car or once they're installed on the car. Basically just keeps that spring snug. Other than that, other than the NECs and the preload, as long as that's done, just set it to the same ride height, left to right, just to ensure that you're kind of starting within a decent height range. It's going to be kind of a guess and check. You put the car on the ground, then just kind of guess, oh, I want to go up another half inch or down another quarter inch. You can kind of adjust from there. And then in terms of the damping, we typically recommend setting the damping to 16 clicks front and rear. So you have 32 clicks of adjustability. So you could, in theory, either go all the way soft or all the way hard, and then just back it out 16 clicks. That's a good baseline damping setting there for you. The rears can be a little tricky because they're not a true rear style coilover. They're a divorce style coilover. So I don't know if you guys have done that before yet. So putting the springs in the car, preloading it with a floor jack so that you have 5 millimeters of preload there, and then you can adjust your shock accordingly, mount it up with the bolt, everything's secured in place. You can lower that jack and then that spring won't be rattling around. But yeah, we're always here with any questions. We're always happy to answer any questions that anyone throws our way and do our best to assist with any installs.
I wanted to give a huge shout out to ISC for hooking me up with these awesome coilovers. Their customer service has been top notch and they've been super supportive throughout the whole process. The car looks amazing now and it handles like a dream. I couldn't be happier with how everything turned out and the quality of the parts. After I shared my installation experience on Instagram, a bunch of people hit me up about getting these coilovers for themselves. ISC was nice enough to create a 10% discount code Suki, for anyone who wants to upgrade their suspension. Thanks, ISC.